Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, the Boho Babe Homestead. Okay guys, so today I am unboxing this gaming chair that I bought for my son's room. The box is upside down because it seems like they dropped it or it got damaged during transit, so that's why it's upside down. But this is it. It's supposed to be blue. I think I paid $50 ish for this chair. So I'm just gonna open it. The picture is in the thumbnail. It does require assembly, but I'm just gonna unbox it real quick to see what it is or if it's the right thing or whatever. But yeah, I used to post my unboxing videos on the Boho Babe Shop and Unbox channel, but I think I'm just gonna merge everything in one and post everything on this channel. Okay, so it's the right color. Ooh, this is nice. This is the back. It's pretty heavy. Ouch. Those are the arms, 1, 2, the leg, the seat. What's this? I'm guessing these are the nuts and bolts for it. I see screws and all that good stuff. Okay, so that's it. Everything is intact. Temu for the win again. Thank you for watching. If you want to see me assemble this, I will be doing a video on that. Also for to see what the homestead look like when it's done, the homestead tiny house look like when it's done. Be sure to subscribe and turn on your notification. I will try to post more often on here, because I haven't been posted for a while, but I did post the unboxing videos for the stuff I bought for the homestead over on that other channel. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Bye bye.